Hello everyone. In this video lecture we will discuss about drilling machine, various types of drilling machine and the various applications of drilling machine uh, and overall how many types of process we can occur with the help of drilling machine. This is the our content of this video lecture like introduction, working principle, construction, a specification for portable drilling machine, types of drilling machine, and various operation performed on drilling machine. This is the basic introduction about drilling machine. The drilling machine or drill press is one of the most common and the useful machine process in industry for producing, forming and finishing hole in a workpiece. The unit essentially consists of a spindle which turn the tool, we are generally called drill tool, which can be advanced in the workpiece either automatically or by the hand. A work table which holds the workpiece rigidly in a position. Here are the basic diagram of drilling machine. It consists following parts like base, table, which is used for putting workpiece, spindle, which is used for applying here drill bit, sleeves, column, which is a stand for with a stand of overall drill machine, and the hair heads is associated with the upper part of the drilling machine. Here is the picture of drill bit or a tool drill. It represents cutting motion of the tool, fixed workpiece, and here we can see in this picture how drilling is done with the help of drill machine. Uh, the working principle is the rotating edge of the drill exert a large force on the workpiece and the hole is generated. The removal of metal in a drilling operation is by shearing and extrusion. Usage of drilling machine is used to drill brine and through the holes in the workpiece. Construction of the drilling machine. Here are the various components associated with the drilling machine: base, column, table, spindle, quill support, quill, spindle, and the drill head. Here servo motor are employed uh, for feeding the drill bit onto the workpiece. The machine has only a hand feed mechanism for feeding the tool into the workpiece. This enables the operator to feel how the drill is cutting, and accordingly he can control the down feed pressure. Uh, Here is the constructional detail of the drilling machine. Like simplest form of drilling machine is known as bench drilling machine. The simplest type of sensitive drilling machine is shown in figure. This is used for light duty drilling work. This machine is capable to drill hole up to 12.5 mm diameter. Here is the some basic component associated with the drilling machine like motor. An electric motor supplies the required driving force to a stepped pulley. Base is the bottom part of the machine in which the column is fitted upright. Feed handle is provided to feed the drill into the workpiece. A rake and the pinion mechanism is provided to drive the chuck. Column is the main cylindrical part of the drill machine on which the other component are mounted. Here is the this is known as the column of the drill machine. Belt guard. Belt guard is the provided to cover the belt and pulley drive mechanism to minimize the hazard of the accident. This is the here we can employ the belt guard. This is known as the belt guard, and this is the belt. Here is servo motor is associated, and with the help of this belt, Here, the responsible of moving of a spindle is carried out by with the help of this belt. Chuck chuck is provided to hold the drill of different size up to 6.5 mm. Drill size more than 6.5 mm are to be fitted directly into the Morse taper of the spindle. Work table workpiece are mounted and held in the position by the table. This table can be lifted for drilling at an angle. Here is the table clamp, and this is known as the table on which we are uh, putting workpiece. This is known as chuck, in which we are employed drill bit for drilling operations. Chuck is associated with the spindle, and a spindle is associated with the spindle clamp. Here is depth adjustment is associated, which we are using for the adjustment of the depth. Now here is another type of drilling machine is portable drilling machine, which we are using in generally for household purposes. Uh, it is a very small, compact, and self-contained unit carrying a small electric motor inside it. It is very commonly used for drilling holes in such components that can't be transported to the shop due to their size or weight, or where lack of space does not permit their transportation to the bigger type of drilling machine. In such cases, the operation is performed on the site or in the houses or for the household purpose. We using portable electric drilling machines. This is known as sensitive or bench drill machine. This type of drilling machine is used for very light work. Its construction is very simple, and it is operations are very easy to perform. Uh, we can employ here less skilled person for drilling purpose. It consists as of shown in a figure of a cast iron having a fixed table over it. A radial drilling machine. This machine is very useful because of its wider range of action. Its principal usage is in drilling holes on such work is difficult to handle frequently. With the use of this machine, the tool is moved to the desired position instead of moving the work to bring the latter in the position for drilling operation. Another type is gang drilling machine. With the help of gang drilling machine, we associated the multiple spindle drilling machine on a single bench and arranging in a row sequence. These spindles may be driven either separately or collectively. This machine is very useful when the nature of work is such that a number of operations like drilling, reaming, counter boring, and tapping are to be performed in succession on it. Various operations we are performing with the help of drilling machine like drilling, reaming, boring, counter sinking, spot facing, and tapping. We will discuss one by one. Uh, Drilling, it is the main operation done on the machine. It is the operation of producing a circular hole in a solid metal by means of a revolving tool called drill. Boring, it is an operation used after for uh, drilling operation, and the main purpose of boring is enlarging a hole which is carried out by drilling operation. Countersinking, it is the operation used for enlarging the end of a hole, give it a conical shape for a short distance. Uh, these are the example of drilling, boring, and countersinking. Reaming, it is the operation of finishing a hole to bring to accurate size and have a better surface finish. This operation is performed by means of a multi-tooth tool called reamer. We can use reaming process for the better internal surface finish. Counter boring. This operation is used for enlarging only a limited portion of the hole is called counter boring. Tapping. It is the operation done for forming internal threads by means of the tool called tap. Uh, this is overall from the drilling operations or drilling machine. In this chapter, we have seen that what is drilling machine, working principle of drilling machine, various component associated with drilling machine, various types of drilling machine according to its application, and the various types of operation which we are performing on by the help of drilling machine like reaming, counter boring, tapping, counter sinking, drilling, and boring operation. Uh, Now in the next lecture, we will discuss about another machining process. Thank you. Thank you all. Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we will discuss about CNC machine, various components of CNC machine, various types of CNC machine, advantage, machining process, limitations, and various applications of CNC machine. Uh, Broadly, we are going to cover following topics in this video lecture, like CNC machine, history of CNC machine, why use CNC machines in our manufacturing industries, some common or basic types of CNC machine used in film or industries, parts of the CNC machine, advantage of CNC machine, and disadvantage of CNC machine. This is the diagram of CNC machine, which consists like chuck, spindle, gears, motors, head stock, tail stock, and this segment is consist of various sensors, various transducer, which we can program various machining process, which we can perform on CNC machine. CNC machine is stand for computer numeric control machine. In the field of industries, it is genuinely possible to make all the products by hand, but we make it by device or machines to save the time. Hence, from this, the concept of CNC machine was started, and with the aid of these CNC machines, it is possible to make a number of products of the same time in a day. CNC stands for Computer Numeric Control, and it is a unique and versatile form of soft automation. Initially, it was advanced to control the motion as well as the operation of device too. Initially, but nowadays CNC is uh, various automated applications associated with CNC machine, and it is widely used in uh, large as well as small manufacturing plants. Computer numeric control was operated using a discrete numerical value, and two necessary input technical data will be stored on a floppy disk or hard disk. The definition of CNC machine as follows: a method in which actions are managed by the insertion of numerical information at the some point. The system or method must automatically intercept some part of this information. In a CNC machine, all the operations and slides movement are restrained by motors using the list of instructions of computer. CNC machines can be used 24 into 7 or throughout the year as it requires less efforts. Less trained persons are required to run these devices. The CNC machines are software based, and as these are software based, there is only one time investment which lowers the overall cost of the product. This is the basically one advantage of CNC machine. Here is the history of CNC machine. In 1947, numeric control was evolved and started when John C. Parsons of the Parsons Corporation Travel City Macon, a manufacturer of helicopter rotor blades, was not able to make his templates fast. At this time, he invented a way of coupling computer equipment with a jig borer. In 1952, MIT, a Massachusetts Institute of Technology, took over the total job, and then the term numeric control was evolved at MIT only. Why CNC machine are used in industry? CNC machine have the wide range of applications, and this becomes an important feature of using CNC machine. It is widely used in metal cutting industry to manufacture the following type of products. Like the CNC machine helped in producing parts with complicated outline. They were used in manufacturing parts that requires good repeatability. They helped in generating parts that requires costly jig and fixtures. Also used in manufacturing parts that require several engineering modifications. It helps in producing the products which cannot be efficiently produced by human being. These are the some reasons why we use CNC machine in our manufacturing plants or manufacturing industries. Not in the manufacturing plants, the CNC machines are widely used in automobile sector, aviation sector. Some common or basic type of CNC machine used in industries are like drilling CNC machine, punching CNC, grinding CNC, laser cutting CNC, water jet cutting CNC, industrial robots, and electro discharge devices. These are the laser cutting CNC, water jet CNC, and electro discharge devices. Basically, it is apart from conventional machining, and this group of machining we can put in the non-conventional machining process. Parts of the CNC machine are as follows. A CNC machine consists of many parts. They are as follows, like part program, program input device, machine control unit, drive system, machine tool, and the feedback system. Here are the various advantage of CNC machine. Like the CNC machine have high repeatability and accuracy, means we can produce with the help of CNC machine we can increase our rate of production with better surface finish with better quality. It can manufacture products in a large quantity uh, because CNC is an automation process, so we can produce large quantity of product at the same time or by the continuous using of this machine. Complex and irregular surface need to machine to get a regular surface, and CNC machine help in doing this. CNC machine is also uh, helping us to doing a regular surface into a regular surface with any complex shape of the workpiece. These machines are safer and have good quality. These machines are safer because it is in compact design, and all systems are automation. No manual operations are needed in the CNC machine. These machine need less paperwork. This is also a kind of advantage that this machine is not need to be do paperwork work according to its production. Here is the some disadvantage of CNC machine. Like the total setup of the CNC machine is costly and need few skilled operators. The overall cost initially, the overall cost of the CNC machine is very high because process all process doing on CNC is automation, and for running these processes on CNC or for making program on CNC, we have require a skilled person. Then surely we have to pay uh, much more salary than a normal operators or than unskilled operators. It requires the knowledge of computers and programming knowledge is required. The person we hired, skilled operators we hired, he must know the knowledge of computers and programming knowledge of the CNC machine. It has the difficulty in maintenance. One any occurs during the processes or during any work like drilling, abrasive jet or the water jet, then the maintenance cost is high. Another disadvantage is we if we program if we program with any minor error, then our whole product will be produced with that minor error. Then company may got huge losses with a mistake by mistake of one error only. Hence, this is about the CNC machine, which really helped the mankind in many ways and also solve the complexity of the problem in a simple way through machine. In this video lecture, we have discussed that what is CNC machine, computer numeric control machine, various types of CNC machine like drilling CNC, milling CNC, abrasive jet CNC, water jet CNC, various advantages of CNC machine, various limitations of CNC machine, and various applications of CNC machine. Some multiple choice question also may come from this chapter, like what is the full form of CNC, computer numeric control. Then another one, it is manual process or automated process. Then it is fully automated process. Another question is skilled labor, skilled operator required or semi-skilled or non-skilled labor required. Then of course skilled labor is required who has knowledge of computers and knowledge of programming, knowledge of uh, at least CNC machine. This is the overall from the CNC machine. I hope you will better understand from this video lecture. And in the next video lecture, I will come with a new topic. Thank you. Thank you all. Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we will discuss about electron beam machining. The principle of electron beam machining, the working of EBM, the various advantages, disadvantages, and application of electron beam machining or EBM. Here you can see that the complete setup of electron beam machining. Here is the workpiece kept in the vacuum chamber. One side of the vacuum chamber is associated with the viewing port where any skilled person or any operator can see the what is going on this workpiece. And the another side is one high vacuum pressure pump is associated with another side of this vacuum chamber. Now here high voltage cable is associated at the top of this machine. Approx this kilovolt DC power we are supplying to the electron beam machining. Here cathode grade is associated, then the anode is associated. Optical weaving system is uh, placed between the vacuum chamber and the upper part of this setup. Electron stream, this is going to workpiece. Magnetic lens for the accumulation of the workpiece, and the deflection coils, which is using here for not deflecting any electron stream which is coming from high voltage cable and going to the workpiece. Here are the basic principle of electron beam machining process. This machining process work on the basic principle of conversion of kinetic energy of electron into heat energy. When a high-speed electron impinges on a workpiece, they convert its kinetic energy into heat energy. This heat energy used to vaporize material at contact surfaces. This process is carried out in a vacuum. Otherwise, the electron beam collide with air particle and the loses its energy before impinging on the work material. These are the basic principle of electron beam machining. Here are the equipments we have seen that using in electron beam machining process, like electron gun. It is called heart of the electron beam machining. It is used to generate electron or electron beam. It is simply a cathode ray tube which generate electron, accelerate them to sufficient velocity and focus them at a small spot size. In this gun, cathode is made by tungsten or tantalum. This cathode filament heated up to 2500 degree centigrade vacuum in the chamber. Another one is annular biased grid. It is the next element of the electron beam machining. It is just after the electron gun. It is a anode which is connected by the negative bias, so the electrons generated by the cathode do not diverge from its path and approach to the next element. When the electron leaves the section, the velocity electron is almost half of the velocity of the light. Here are the function of magnetic lens. After the anode, magnetic lens are provided which shape the beam and does not allow to divert electron or reduce the divergence of beam. These lenses allow to pass only convergent electron, thus a high focused beam is obtained. They also capture low energy electron, thus increase the quality of beam. Now the function of electromagnetic lens and deflection coil. Electromagnetic lens is used to focus the electron beam at a spot. They used to focus beam at a spot on workpiece, so a high intense beam reaches at work surface, which produce more heat and improve machining. The deflecting coil does not allow to beam deflect and take care of all electron moves in a series, thus form a high intense beam. Here are the now the last one is workpiece and the work holding devices which is kept under vacuum chamber. It can machine both metallic and non-metallic material. The workpiece is held by suitable fixture which is mounted on a CNC table. This table can be moved in all three directions which control the shape of machining. Here is the complete working of the electron beam machining process. Like stepwise step we are seeing. First electron gun produce high velocity electron particle. These electron particle move towards anode which is placed after cathode tube. Now this high intense electron beam passes through magnetic lenses. There are a series of lenses which take care of only convergent electron passes through it. It absorbs all divergent electron and low energy electron. It provides a high quality electron beam. This electron beam now passes through a electromagnetic lens and deflecting coil. It focuses the electron beam at a spot. The high intense electron beam impinges on the workpiece where kinetic energy of electron convert into thermal energy. The material is removed from contact surface by melting and vaporization due to this high heat generated by conversion of kinetic energy into thermal energy. This whole process takes place in a vacuum chamber. Otherwise, these electrons collide with air particle between path and loses its all kinetic energy. Here are the Application of electron beam machining process. It is used to produce very small hole size about 100 micrometers to 2 millimeter. It is used to produce holes in a diesel injection nozzle. It is also used in aerospace industry and automobile industry for producing turbine in aerospace industry, for supersonic engine and in nuclear reactors. Here are the various disadvantages and advantages of electron beam machining process. Like advantages of EBM are, it can be used for produce very small hole size in any shape. It can machining any material irrespective its hardness and other mechanical properties. It provides good surface finish. No any surface finishing process is required after EBM. Highly reacting material can be machined easily because machining is done under vacuum. Here are the some disadvantages of electron beam machining process, like high capital cost, high skill operator required, regular maintenance is required, material removal rate is very slow compared to other conventional process, and it is difficult to produce perfect vacuum. These are the some disadvantages of electron beam machining process. Now the electron overall construction, can see that supply system and supply system in supply electric cylinder and hot cathode is kept in the cylinder. Here is a control grid, and after that pre-accelerating anode, and in the last focusing anode is placed in the electron beam, and from this side electron beam directly gone to the workpiece and machine the workpiece in a vacuum chamber. Here are the some theory of electron gun construction. Like electron gun is defined as the source of focused and accelerate electron beam. It is a device used in cathode ray tube for displaying the image on phosphorus screen of CRT cathode ray tube. The electron gun emits electrons and forms them into beam by the help of a heater, cathode grid, and pre-accelerating, accelerating and focusing anode. This is the basic construction of electron gun. Here are the construction of the description of the all component which is associated with the electron gun. First one is heater. The heater converts the electric energy in the form of heat. It has a resistor which obstruct the flow of current and convert it into the thermal energy. The heater hits the cathode electrodes and emits the electrons. Now the control grid. The control grid is a nickel cylinder. It is the metallic cup which has lower permeability steel. It is about 15 mm long and having the diameter of 15 mm. The hole of about is 0.25 mm is drilled in the cap of the grid for the flow of electron. The intensity of electron beam passing through the grid depends upon the emission of electrons. The control grid is negative biasing, due to which is control the flow of electrons. This is also the another component which is associated with electron gun. Pre-accelerating and accelerating anode. The pre-accelerating and accelerating anode accelerated the beam passing through the gun. These anodes are connected to the high potential for accelerating the electrons. And the fourth one is focusing anode, which is which component is associated in the last of the electron gun. After passing through the pre-accelerating and accelerating electrodes, the electrons are passing through the focusing anode. The focusing anode produces the beam of sharply focused electrons, and the electron gun are placed inside the glass tube so that the electron beam did not interact with the air molecules. On the basis of this chapter, here are the some multiple choice questions. Like mechanism of material removal in electron beam machining is due to, here are the four options given. Option A is mechanical erosion due to impact of high of energy electron, chemical etching by the high energy electron, a sputtering due to high energy electron, melting and vaporization due to the thermal effect of impingement of high energy electron. Now the answer is melting and vaporization of workpiece due to the thermal effect of impingement of high energy electron. So our option is D. Now the another multiple choice question is electron beam machining is carried out in high pressure vessel, thermally insulated area or vacuum or in room at the atmospheric pressure. Then surely it would be a vacuum. We have created the vacuum for the better transmission of the electron beam to the workpiece. Our option is C. Now the fourth one is during EBM is kept under vacuum. Electron gun, whole setup, and the workpiece. Electron gun is not associated with under vacuum. Whole setup is also not we kept in the vacuum. Surely the workpiece we are keeping in the vacuum. Thus our answer is option C. Overall in this chapter we have seen that working of electron beam machining process, advantage of electron beam machining process, disadvantage of electron beam machining process, principle and application of electron beam machining process. And on the basis of uh, this video lecture we have solved 4 to 5 multiple choice question. Thank you all.